Hello, students and staff of Mammoth Heights Elementary. My name is Mr. Holtvluwer. You know me as Mr. H. Today is Thursday, December 18, 2025, and this is Good Morning, Mammoth Heights. All right, well, let's begin our morning with the Pledge of Allegiance. Please rise and recite the pledge with me. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated. All right, well, boys and girls, let's check out what we have on our lunch menu for today. Today you get to choose between the cheeseburger, hamburger, or Impossible Burger, or the Uncrustable Peanut Butter and Jelly Bistro Box. Now let's move on to our Mammoth Heights Positive Ambassador Matrix. All week long, we've been focusing on the behavior expectations for our students as we go out to recess, how we behave at recess. Let's make sure that this last day of school before winter break, we end on a positive note and nobody comes into the office because they made bad choices with their hands and feet at recess. How great would that be? Because this is a fun day. So let's make it a fun day and a safe day at recess by keeping our hands and feet to ourselves and being the driver of your own bus at recess today, throughout the school year, and of course throughout the rest of your school career. For our birthdays, happy birthday today to Ilya Habib. And happy birthday over the weekend and over the break to Landon Lyles, Jade Watt, Molly Lang, Reagan Berrien, Landon Ray, Alicia Zishan, William Brink, Henry Tamburino, Lean Mai, Jain Mai, Charlie Lindell, Autumn Patterson, Andrew Werner, and our very own Mr. Knickerbocker. In fourth grade, our very own Miss Bradstrom. In our SSN program, Miss Candy. Our SLP teacher, Miss Young. In first grade, happy birthday, Miss Kennedy. And Mrs. Wazalitsky. Happy birthday to everybody. If I said your name, you can come on down to the office and get a happy birthday pencil at this time. But make sure you get your teacher's permission first. For our announcements, today is a very fun day. We are all going on our ice skating field trip along with some holiday parties. So please, boys and girls, make good choices. Let's go into the holiday break feeling good about a great fun day of school with the ice skating and the holiday parties and no visits to the office. That's going to be great. Mr. H is in always a good mood on these days, but a visit to the office from a student for bad choices on a fun day, that will make me pretty grumpy. All right? Now, also, we all did an amazing job at our cereal box domino challenge, and everyone's so excited to see the video. So let's roll the clip. Welcome to the second annual MHE Great Cereal Box Domino Challenge. Let's go. In 3, 2, 1. right, great job at the cereal box challenge. That was so much fun. And now you have that video. You can watch it anytime you want. All right, well, boys and girls, that concludes our show for today. I hope you all have an amazing winter break, and we'll see you back here on Tuesday, January 6th of 2026. That is crazy. All right. At Mammoth Heights Elementary, it is our mission to cherish and nurture the unique qualities of all children, foster compassion and respect, inspire children to dream of the possible, and to strive for the extraordinary. At Mammoth Heights Elementary, we dream, strive, become, because that's the Mammoth way. How you guys feeling on this Thursday before winter break? Because I feel great. Yes. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, and Happy Holidays. We'll see you next year. Bye.